Daisy. Daisy is an embedded platform for music, featuring everything you need to create powerful instruments and sound processors, all in the size of a stick of gum. Use Daisy in a breadboard on your desk, and bring it with you to the stage or studio. It's an ideal solution for teaching kids how to code, yet powerful enough that designers can use it for product development. Daisy can be programmed using a number of languages, including C++, Arduino, Pure Data, and Max MSP. Uploading programs to your Daisy is a breeze. Simply connect it to your computer with USB and Flash from your application of choice. To help you start making music immediately, we've created several Daisy-powered instruments, including a breakout board, desktop synth, guitar pedal, and a Eurorack module, along with a suite of software libraries and examples for each. Daisy turns binary into melody. Let's teach computers how to sing.